Supabase versus PocketBase. Which backend platform is better? Choosing the right backend platform can completely change how you build and scale your applications without unnecessary complexity. Both offer powerful features but differ in architecture and use cases. Supabase and PocketBase are popular backend platforms that simplify app development. Supabase is a hosted backend as a service built on PostgreSQL, while PocketBase is a lightweight self-hosted backend with an embedded database. The core difference lies in scalability versus simplicity. Supabase is an open source backend platform that provides a complete suite of tools built on PostgreSQL. It offers a hosted database, authentication, real-time subscriptions, and storage, all accessible through RESTful and GraphQL APIs. Supabase works by leveraging PostgreSQL's robustness, allowing developers to write SQL queries directly or use its client libraries for seamless integration. Its strengths include scalability, strong relational data support, and a rich ecosystem of features like row-level security and serverless functions. However, as a hosted service, it may introduce some latency and requires an internet connection. Supabase is ideal for developers who need a scalable, feature-rich backend with relational data capabilities and prefer a managed service that handles infrastructure and scaling. PocketBase is a lightweight, open-source backend designed for simplicity and ease of use. It features an embedded SQLite database, built-in user authentication, real-time data sync, and file storage, all running on a single binary that can be self-hosted anywhere. PocketBase operates by bundling the entire backend stack into one executable, eliminating the need for complex setup or external dependencies. Its strengths lie in fast local performance, straightforward deployment, and offline capabilities. However, PocketBase's embedded database limits scalability and complex relational queries compared to Supabase. It's best suited for small to medium projects, prototypes, or developers who want full control over their backend environment without relying on cloud hosting. Comparing Supabase and PocketBase reveals clear trade-offs. Supabase excels in projects requiring scalable, relational databases with advanced security and managed hosting, making it perfect for production apps with complex data needs. PocketBase shines in simplicity and speed, ideal for local development, quick prototypes, or apps where self-hosting and offline use matter. Supabase's managed approach reduces operational overhead but depends on cloud availability, while PocketBase offers full control with minimal infrastructure but less scalability. Choosing between them depends on your project size, database complexity, and hosting preferences. Choose Supabase for scalable, feature-rich backends that require robust relational data support and managed infrastructure for production-grade applications. Opt for PocketBase if you need a lightweight, self-hosted backend with easy setup and offline capabilities, perfect for prototypes or smaller projects. Both platforms have strong merits, so match your choice to your development needs and infrastructure preferences for the best results.